Welcome to Vision Training Institute. My name is Patience Edramoda. I'm so excited to have you here today. I am excited because I'm going to be giving you a sneak peek into our time management program. This is one of the things that we're going to be talking about in the time management training. So if you decide to take the training, which I hope you will, you'll get a chance to get the bigger version of this. We're going to be talking about the 7 steps to daily productivity. Yes, consistent productivity. Why would you want 7 steps to this? Well, let's find out. The first step is you plan tomorrow tonight. Productivity begins the night before. Before you shut down for the day, what I need you to do is to take 5 minutes to plan tomorrow. Take 5 minutes to write down the top 3 things that you want done by tomorrow. Block time for each and every one of them. Block the time. How much time do you want to spend on them? Do you have to clean the cabinet? You want to clean your workspace? Go ahead and block time. Make time out to do that tomorrow. The second step is eat the frog first. Eat the frog first. You might have heard of this phrase in your working life, but eat the frog first. We always try to tackle the big things first. Those are the things that we need to win first, because early wins build momentum, it gives you a boost and helps to boost your confidence and reduce procrastination. Trust me, eat the frog first. That big thing, that one big assignment that you need done by yesterday. So why don't you do that one first? That is always good because then by the time you're done doing that one, you might not even need to spend so much time on the others. Number 3, use microburst. Work smarter that way. Long hours don't equal productivity. No, you can work for 50 hours and you would have done nothing. Instead, try microburst. You know, use a technique where you do 25 minutes work, focused work, that is, not just work, focused work for 25 minutes, and then you take a 5 minutes break. Then maybe you have 10 minutes work, and then you go to 5 minutes work. Just make sure you use microbursts. Don't do everything at once because, like I said, long hours don't equal productivity. It doesn't mean that you're going to be successful because you worked for 50 hours. And we tend to do this, and you will find out more about this if you decide to come to our class. Number 3, every decision we make drains us. So why don't we try to simplify to amplify? Mental drain. That's the way, it works. You just get tired. That's why routine matters. You need to to amplify, simplify your day. Start off with, for example, what time do you usually have breakfast? 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock? It depends when you go to work or when you start your day. So if you have your breakfast at 7 o'clock, make sure you do that every morning. Same breakfast? No, not necessarily, but some of us do. Some of us have the same breakfast, same workspace. We set it up to work for us. But I would say to you, automate what you can. Automate everything that you can. Turn off notifications, create a distraction-free zone for yourself. So you simplify to amplify. Number 5, celebrate progress. I love this. Not perfection. No, progress. Celebrate your progress. At the end of each day, write down your top 3 wins. What are the top 3 things that you did today that make you feel really good? When you can write this down and when you can celebrate this, it helps to build your confidence. It helps to reinforce your progress. Even on those days when things seem really, really hard, you'll find something worth celebrating. So why don't you celebrate progress, not perfection? Progress, not perfection. Number 6, I would say move your body, reset your mind. Because when you do this, energy begins to come back into you. You fuel yourself back into focus. Your body and your brain, they're a team, they work together. Movement will boost your focus, it will boost your creativity and also your mood, believe it or not. So take 5 minutes to move around, 5 minutes break. Just take it, walk, stretch, dance, or try something that, where your mind can just be at peace and you can get your energy right back working for you again. Why don't you try it? I think it's really good. I try it and I think it works. Mine is basically, how do I get my energy and my focus back? What I do is I try to do a dance by myself. Yeah, it works. It really does work. Number seven, accountability and rewards. I love this. Make it stick with support. How do you make it stick with support? Get yourself an accountability partner. Get yourself your community. Share your goals with your buddy, your sister, your cousin, your coach, or even your community. Or you can use apps and planners to track your progress. Just do this. And don't forget, reward yourself. Celebrate your day. Celebrate the things that you've done that made you feel good on that day. Okay, so just make sure that you follow these 7 steps. Now that we've gone through all the 7 steps, I'd like to invite you to join us. But before we do that, let me just go over that with you. Plan tomorrow tonight. Don't forget, we talked about that earlier on. Do that. Let me tell you a secret. Every Sunday, I go to church. And then on Saturday night, without fail, I have my clothes, I lay them out, and I wake up on Sunday morning and I wear those clothes. I don't try to reinvent new clothes because I don't have that time. So try it. It works. Then start with a win. What is that thing that is a big frog for you? That thing that you want to win. Start with that. Use microburst. Remember the 25 minutes? 25 minutes work, 5 minutes break. 10 minutes work, 5 minutes work. Make sure you break it up. Don't just rush everything. Don't do everything in 45 minutes. That's not going to work. Eliminate decision fatigue. You have all these things that you have to do. Oh my goodness, I'm going to have breakfast. I don't even know what I'm going to eat. Eat what you ate yesterday. It's not going to hurt you. It's not going to hurt you. Eliminate decision fatigue because that can really drain you when you start thinking, oh, how am I going to do this? That's why you got to schedule yourself. You got to make sure that everything is working according to the schedule that you set for yourself. Track your wins. I believe in tracking my wins, and I'm sure you do too. Track the things that you've done that is successful, that makes you feel good today. Track them. Then move your body. That is so good. That helps to refuel yourself. You get energized once again. Move your body, do a dance, go for a walk, do anything that would help your body and your mind to begin to work together. And lastly, use accountability and rewards. I would always say, don't ever miss this. This is a very important factor because when you use accountability and rewards, when you tell your accountability partner, when you tell your sister, your friend that this is what I'm doing, and they reward you, yay, patience, you did good. Yes. Or reward yourself. Reward yourself. What about an ice cream? Yeah, just reward yourself. There's nothing wrong with that. Now that we're all done with this, I'd like to invite you to join us. Take time out to check out, write us, call us. We will love to just empower you and elevate you to your point of excellence. We're looking forward to hearing from you, and we hope that we actually set something going in you today. All right. Until next time, you have a good evening.